This segment is sponsored by Martin Supermarkets. With the holidays on the horizon, guests are inevitable. Lucky Martin Supermarkets has everything you need to keep your company fed.
I met with Chef Britt in the Martin's kitchen to learn a few simple recipes perfect for your holiday entertaining. Take a look. Well, the holiday season is here, and that means we are spending some extra time in the kitchen, but we do want to make it easy but also fun.
Definitely.
Chef Britt has some amazing holiday ideas right here at the Mayflower Martin's location, because Martin's is where you can get all of your holiday cooking essentials and your needs. But we need to figure out how to make it. So you have some really great ideas.
It's never too early to start planning. So start thinking about your menu now. I'm definitely a bite-sized kind of person, easy, grab and go things. So as people come and go and all that, they just always have something kind of fun to eat.
Yeah. So what are we starting with?
So one of my favorite things is sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes and they're so easy. So
they are, and they go sweet to savory, kind of whatever you add to it. So we started, with a sweet potato peeled. Looks like it was.
Just cut it in little bite-sized pieces, and then I tossed it in a little butter. Roasted it in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes.
And they come out
flipped them
like this, yeah?
Put them back in until they're fork tender. You can stick a fork in it and pull it out. They're ready to go.
Stick a fork in it, it's
done. So they
done.
came out, and then drizzle some maple syrup over the top.
Okay, so we did butter, salt, then when they come out, we do the maple syrup. And then I've already started with the jet puff.
Yes. So the jet puff, you need a marshmallow. So we're gonna
do need these it, not want it. We need it.
You need a marshmallow for the holidays.
Yeah.
So we'll put marshmallows on all of them, throw them in the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it'll come out and that marshmallow will be all toasty, and then we'll top them with the pecan.
Sweet potatoes.
And once that marshmallow is toasted too, these will be great just at room temperature as well. They don't have to stay hot.
So they just go in the broiler for 2 minutes and get all beautiful. Well, let's move on to another one. We're also sticking with the theme of a personal size, a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
And I love this so much.
So I'm not a baker. Like, I can do a lot of things, but baking is not one of them. So the easier the better when it comes to that for me. So no baked cheesecake is the way that I go.
Okay, how are we starting, Britt?
So we have a graham cracker crumb. I love these because they already come crumbled up and they're all like the perfect size.
Oh, you don't even have to put them in a Ziploc? And
nothing. So they're ready to go.
There you go. Butter, I'm
some
assuming.
Sugar, and butter. So you mix that together, and when you can kind of like grab them and they stick together, they're ready to go.
You have the right butter sugar ratio. So you already put them in the muffin tin, which I love that.
So then I just kind of use my hands, or like if you have another muffin tin, you can kind of set it on top.
Oh,
and then
smush it. Smush all those grams in there.
And then I just threw this in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes to kind of harden that crust.
Okay, the filling.
So then the filling, so we have heavy whipping cream that I just whipped.
Already whipped.
Or you could really use Cool Whip as well if you wanted to do that.
I love the real.
Yes,
I love the real heavy whipping
me
cream.
too.
Did you put anything else in this yet?
That is just heavy cream.
Just the heavy cream, and then what do you have already in here?
Okay, so this is our cream cheese filling.
Okay.
So we have our Philadelphia cream cheese.
Love the Philadelphia
and
cream
then
cheese.
a little bit of powdered sugar.
Lemon juice.
A little bit of lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And vanilla extract.
Lemon and vanilla. So
then we'll kind of fold those together.
So once we kind of fold that in, I think we'll do maybe just one of these.
Yeah.
Okay, so
then you'll just top it, your graham with your filling.
Topping it a little bit. Same thing. This is great for the kids.
Yes, this could be fun.
Throw
definitely.
that in there. Okay, so
I know my 3-year-old would love doing this. You would throw them back in the freezer for just a couple minutes so they set.
Okay, so fill them up, put them in the freezer, bring them back out. I see these are topped.
Yes.
So what did we put on these?
So it's kind of a salted caramel because I thought that would be fun for any
I love
occasion.
A salted caramel.
These wonderful craft caramels are perfect because you can just put those in a pan.
So same thing, get the kids to unwrap them.
Yep.
So we put it in a pan just to heat it up, but you gave a tip because I asked you, how are we cleaning this pan? Because it is not something I want to do.
Spray it really, really good with nonstick spray when you put it in there.
Before, so spray it.
And then clean it while it's still hot. Don't let it harden and get cool.
So a little bit of prep, and then right when it's still warm, clean it out. It'll save you a world of headaches on the holiday. You do not want to be scraping the caramel out.
So with the caramel, put a little, like a tablespoon of water in there as they melt.
Okay. So a little bit of water, caramels, and then you're just going to drizzle. I'm going to do the drizzle. You have these so pretty. I'm worried that mine is just going to, plop right on there. But I guess it's the holidays.
It is.
You do not
As long as
need
it
to
tastes
skimp
good.
on the caramel. And then you also topped it with a little bit of salt.
Yep, just a little bit of sea salt.
Yeah, that's where the salted
Yep.
caramel.
And then just a little sprinkle.
Ooh, just a little sprinkle. I'm going to do it this method. I like to always pour it in my hand. That might be my
Yes.
tip of the day. And then you can do that a little bit. And then what is it, over your shoulder for luck?
Always over your
Always
shoulder for luck.
And then always a bite. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's so creamy. And we didn't even bake this. This is a no bake. Look at all that caramel. I have to spin my fork. There's
So
a lot
good.
of caramel. Oh, that is so good. So great, so easy. We've got the sweet potatoes, we've got desserts, and you know what? We've got you covered, and Martin's has you covered.
Definitely.
So yummy and so easy to make. Check out martins-supermarkets.com for more recipes and ideas, or easy enough, follow them on Facebook and Twitter.